Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to choose the right dog breed for you? Let's explore. Choosing the right dog breed for you depends on several factors, including your lifestyle, living situation, and personal preferences. The first consideration is the breed size. If you live in a small apartment, a large or high-energy breed may not be the best fit, while smaller or less active breeds may adapt well to apartment living. Energy level is another important factor. Some breeds, such as Border Collies or Australian Shepherds, require a lot of physical and mental stimulation, making them ideal for active owners who enjoy outdoor activities. On the other hand, breeds like Bulldogs or Basset Hounds are more laid-back and may be better suited to a quieter lifestyle. Temperament and grooming needs should also be considered. Some dogs are more independent, while others are affectionate and thrive on human companionship. Breeds with long or thick coats may require regular grooming, while short-haired breeds are easier to maintain. Finally, consider any specific health issues associated with the breed and whether they fit your ability to provide the necessary care. Researching different breeds and consulting with breeders or vets can help you find the right match for your lifestyle and preferences. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.